Friday afternoon, 5:30. Steel cable broke. So I can get a new one, but first milking and then I fix it. So I sent my wife to get a new cable. The local dealer could help me, even though it was beyond opening hours, so thank you, Huisjes. And now we have to change these clamps and put them on a new cable and put it back. I can put one side together. This goes in there. Then it pulls itself tight. New bolt. Now we go to the stables. I put it as far as I could in here, so if it isn't tight enough, I can always use these links to tighten it up. So now, first let's get some dinner. It's after 8 o'clock and I'm hungry, and then I do the other side. So had dinner. The cable, at least it's long enough, so I'll shorten it a bit and we put the other connector on, and then we'll see if it works. fixed it again. Still have to feed the cows.